Hey gorgeouses, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to do one more unboxing. I picked up a nice little shipment from Sephora. Okay, again, I did find all of these on sale, so I'm a very lucky girl. Let's take a look and see what we got here. I don't remember ordering you. What are you? I don't remember ordering this. It's pretty. I don't remember ordering it. But it is a contour gel lip liner, maybe. That sounds kind of familiar. Say lovey. I probably ordered it, I just don't remember. Well, so first of all, I picked up a nice little Sephora collection gel lip liner in a pink color because it's Valentine's, and I figured, why not? Speaking of things pink, I actually found this and I was kind of excited to try it out. This is another Sephora collection item. This is the Black Magic set of 2 makeup remover cloths. But I liked them because it wasn't that strip that just looks like a towelette, like a hand towel or something. I thought these were really cute because it looks like they're just little finger mittens. And that made me just, I love the shape of them, and honestly I fell in love with them. I got just kind of giddy and I wanted to try them out, and I found them on clearance. So the fact that I found them on clearance and I wanted to try them out, it's a win-win. Under $10, don't remember if they were under $5. So definitely budget friendly, especially if you were looking to try something new. The same goes with the lip liner. This was also on sale. I don't recall the price that I paid, but I tried to find everything on clearance. Everyone has all the free money in the world, so you gotta make your money count. And just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the quality of the product that you're receiving. Don't think that you have to settle for some, unlabeled dupe product from God knows where that's gonna give you some weird stains or burns, or no, God, no, please, no, don't do that. Just know when to shop, know how to shop, and know if there's something that you really want that's gonna be higher end, know how to budget for it. Okay, those are my suggestions. That's my little lecture. I have been very curious to try this one out. This one is the Sephora Collection Color Block Liner in white. Gorgeous, gorgeous white. I like the packaging of this one. I like the little graffiti lines. It just kind of reminds me of like a doodling in your notebook, when you're in school. Now for me personally, I love white liner, but I have a hard time finding a white liner that will go on the water line of my eyes. They tend to either get kind of flaky and they just kind of fall off. They don't last very long, they're not waterproof or whatever. So again, I'm always in the market for a good white liner, so I'm down to try this one. I have yet to try it, so I don't know if it'll work. But I found it on sale and it was worth a go. Last up from the box, I believe. Yes, it is black. I don't know, okay, one thing, I don't know why they sent me a bigger box when I only got, 3 or 4 small little items. But lastly, I was excited to try this. I wanted to get back into it. Was a Sephora Collection Highlight Lowlight Face Contour Duo Crayon Contour. So there we go. This one is the color medium, which is 02. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what it looks like. Now, probably not a big deal, slightly concerning. The packaging is open. Sephora, I love you. But lately, I don't know what's been going on, and I feel like I need to kind of do a video to just let me voice my concerns, and if someone hears it, cool. I have put several of my concerns lately on your forums. Some of them have gotten likes and responses. Thank you for that. Not from me directly, but from other users that have the same concerns I do. I'm probably gonna do a video on you later. But This, like I know I ripped that right now, but the fact that this was opened, why are you sending me this? Why are you sending me something that's damaged? Why are you sending me something that's been opened? Why? I don't care, sale or not, that is not something you sacrifice. That being said, let's open this bitch up. All right, opened it up, plain on the inside, and let's take a look. I'm hoping this does not, there is any signs of use. Yep, I am probably going to give Sephora a call. Yeah, this is, no. I'm gonna give them a call. I am angry now. Thought I was mad before, I am angry. This side of the highlighter looks just fine. You can tell it's not been used. There's still the manufacturer, there's like a packaging line across it where it was like pressed together. That's fine. This side has clearly been used. This side has streaks all over it, and there's a gash. I don't even know if you can see it. There is a gash in the middle of the product down toward the bottom, which again also tells me that, say it's been used, but it at least has been opened. You can very clearly see someone has swiped their finger across the top, and probably when trying to put the lid back on, they like missed it, and so there's the lid, like the circle line down here at the bottom all the way through the product. So that's no. But with that being said, let's take a look and see how much product you actually get on each side. Some of you may or may not have seen a highlighter video that I did where literally after you unspooled the whole product, you got like this much highlighter. And I swear it felt like I used half of it in one application. So that's not gonna fly for me. That's not gonna work. And I really don't know what's going on with this Lash and White. It's being kind of lazy today. Just what is going on here? Darling, pick it up, wake up. Ooh-ah. Okay. So again, for the contour, that is how much we get. You can see here again where it's got some creasing on the sides. Yeah, it has a couple of creases here on the side as well. So I'm not entirely sure about that. I'm not happy about that. I'm probably just gonna give them a call or go to the store tomorrow and return it. Now for the highlighter side, okay, that's interesting. It's kind of got this, how do I want to put this politely, genitalia shaped top. Sephora, what were you thinking? Sephora, what is going on with you lately? Who is dropping the ball? Who is trying to sabotage you? Please, Sephora, do you need to talk to somebody? Do you just want to vent some stuff out and just kind of throw caution to the wind because please don't sacrifice your product and hurt your customers for something you want to shape literally like this? What is that? Oh my God. I can't be the only one who sees that. Well, I got this on clean. No, I didn't. I paid full price for this. Oh. This is what I was trying to find. I'll be returning this because that's disgusting in more ways than one. I don't recommend that at all. But I was excited to try and get back into the contour. I do powdered contour now. I do have a powder palette. I was interested in going back to creams. I used to in the past do it with different shades of foundation. I was told what to look for during those times. Now things have changed. Contour is more around. It's more readily available now. I still would like to try a cream again if I can find a good set and just see if I like it or if I want to stick to powders now, because I know my skin changes throughout the seasons. I know I'm getting a little bit older now. Not that I ever age. I age like wine. I only get better with age, baby. Let's go. But I wanted to see what it would be like and how my skin would react to it. So the fact that I picked this up from a store that I love, and it clearly fell so short of any sort of acceptable expectation that you would have from going to a name store like this, I honestly don't even know what to tell you. I'm embarrassed for them. That's sad. Let's hope the white liner sticks better just later on when we try it, because my love for Sephora is quickly fading. Switch hands recently? What is going on? Who woke up on the wrong side of the bed? Dang! Guys, well, I'm sorry to leave this on such a bad note. But if you did like the video and if you like my honest reviews of products, please don't forget to hit the like button, and while you're at it, please hit that subscribe button below. Help support a girl and let's help build this empire together. And please never forget to always let your inner beauty shine, because as I say, no amount of makeup, no amount of foundation, full coverage foundation, no amount of false lashes or vibrant lipstick will cover a bad attitude. You gotta bring forth that inner beauty, guys. Spread positivity to the world. So, with that being said, let go, shake it all off, shake it off, shake it off. And I will see you guys next time. So take care. Bye, guys.